Welcome to this tutorial on how to interpret BestPlaces Nightlife. BestPlaces is a website that provides information on various aspects of cities and towns across the United States, including their nightlife. Interpreting nightlife data on BestPlaces can help you understand the social scene of a place and make informed decisions about where to live or visit. To start, navigate to the BestPlaces website and enter the name of the city or town you are interested in. Once you are on the city's page, click on the Nightlife tab to access the relevant data. The Nightlife section typically includes an overall nightlife score, as well as detailed information on the number of bars, clubs, and other nightlife establishments in the area. The nightlife score is a numerical value that represents the city's nightlife scene, with higher scores indicating a more vibrant and active nightlife. This score is based on a variety of factors, including the number of nightlife establishments, their concentration, and the overall atmosphere of the area. To put the nightlife score into perspective, consider the following scale. A score of 1 to 20 indicates a very quiet nightlife scene, with few establishments and limited activity. A score of 21 to 40 represents a relatively quiet nightlife scene, with some establishments but limited options. A score of 41 to 60 indicates a moderate nightlife scene, with a variety of establishments and a decent amount of activity. A score of 61 to 80 represents a lively nightlife scene, with many establishments and a wide range of options. Finally, a score of 81 to 100 indicates an extremely vibrant and active nightlife scene, with numerous establishments and a thriving social scene. In addition to the nightlife score, the BestPlaces website also provides information on the types of nightlife establishments available in the area. This can include bars, clubs, lounges, and live music venues, among others. You can use this information to get a sense of the types of activities and venues that are available in the area, and to determine whether they align with your interests and preferences. To get the most out of the nightlife data on BestPlaces, consider the following best practices. First, use the nightlife score as a general guide, but also dig deeper into the detailed information on nightlife establishments to get a more nuanced understanding of the area. Second, consider your own preferences and interests when evaluating the nightlife scene of a city or town. If you are looking for a quiet and low-key nightlife scene, a city with a lower nightlife score may be a good fit. On the other hand, if you are looking for a vibrant and active nightlife scene, a city with a higher nightlife score may be more suitable. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can use the nightlife data on BestPlaces to gain a better understanding of the social scene of a city or town, and to make informed decisions about where to live or visit. Remember to always consider your own preferences and interests when evaluating the nightlife scene, and to use the nightlife score as a general guide rather than the only factor in your decision.